Hi there, how are you doing today? I'm doing just fine. I hope you heard that we recently launched the possibilities for customers, at least Plus and Premium customers, to extremely easily set up a newsroom on their Facebook pages. And if you have a look at Gothia Förlag, for an example, Gothia Förlag is a small Swedish company. We just log into the publishing tool on my news desk, and they did find a solution in the bottom end of this left menu here. The marketing chief at Gothia Förlag created a newsroom on her Facebook page in a few steps in like 2 minutes, and it's looked like this. So in 2 minutes she created this newsroom, and she did it by herself, no developers, nothing extra. And it's all synchronized with her communication on my news desk, and she got the latest news on top and photos and videos in the bottom end. So they were extremely satisfied with this, but the question is, why synchronize your communication on my news desk with your fan page on Facebook? Well, I think the reason is this. As you might know, Facebook is a huge, absolutely huge social network, which has like 500, some say 600 million total users, and they log in every day, at least 41% of them logging in every day, and you know, everybody heard of Facebook. So, but wait a minute. My news desk is all about press information, right? And even if it's like 500 million people here, what about the journalists? Are they using Facebook as a source? Well, yes, they do. So if you have a look at this survey, you can see that when journalists ask to the question, which of the following do you use during the course of research for a story? And of course, Google search engines and company websites are far from these factors. But if you can see here in social networks, so 24% of the journalists, 2009, said they're using social networks as a source. And that increased 2010 to 33%. And I'm sure it has increased since then. But the question is, do they want to be a fan of companies? Do they want to like companies and got their updates to their profiles? Well, I'm not sure about that. So if you have a look at this survey here, you can see when people ask the question, why did you become a fan to Facebook, to companies' pages on Facebook? They said, I'm a customer of the company, 49%, or to show others that I like and support this brand, 42%, or to receive discounts and promotion, 40%. So this is not journalists' needs and want. So when we decided not to synchronize the communication via my news desk to the wall for the moment, or instead just create a separate newsroom on the Facebook pages where journalists easily can just subscribe to the news and you know, follow the newsroom on my news desk and follow Gothia Förlag on my news desk, we thought that might be a good idea to just serve journalists and their needs and wants. So I really hope there will be tons of newsrooms on Facebook, and we'll see what happens. Have a nice day. Bye.